If you are traveling to the Cincinnati Children's Hospital, we definitely recommend you check out Hampton Inn and Suites, Newport, Cincinnati. These accommodations are only 14 minutes from the Cincinnati Children's Burnett campus. Right across the river from Cincinnati, they offer beautiful views, and the location is amazing. It's close to several restaurants and shopping. We loved how large this suite is. The center is divided by a desk area with a TV, with a king bed on one end and a pull-out couch on the other end of the room. We enjoyed the walk-in shower and the fact that the sink is outside of the bathroom door. We spent several nights at the Hampton Inn and Suites, Newport, Cincinnati, due to several medical appointments. The suite both looked and smelled clean and has a microwave and small refrigerator right in the room. Free breakfast is provided and includes a variety of hot and cold options. We also appreciated the plentiful free parking on site. Do beware that traffic across the bridge can be a little hectic in the mornings, so you may want to plan a couple extra minutes depending on when you're leaving. We had a great experience in these accommodations and would definitely recommend them to a friend. Thanks for watching. We hope you'll click like and subscribe if you're ready for some more travel.